Hi everyone, today I will be reviewing this Astronaut Nebula Projector, which I got from AliExpress for just 99 cents USD with their welcome deal offer. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person. But if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. This is an ideal gift for a kid or even for an adult to keep it in their room or on the table, especially during this holiday season. So if you're planning to give a gift to your loved one, this is a good choice. And I intend to help you with your choice by doing a full review of this breathtaking item. This looks so cool. I've tried out a few star projectors, but this one seems like it is the coolest. This is truly amazing when considered the price point, and I'm well impressed with this. The build quality quite sturdy. On most star projectors, the remote kind of doesn't work that well. You have to have it really pointing at the projector to work, which is obviously annoying. If you are chilling on your bed and the projector is quite far over the other side of the room. But this remote connects so well and can have them anywhere, and he can be looking wherever he wants. So, even if he's in the corner of the room, that's fine. Like he's just chilling. I have seen a lot of projectors and think this is probably one of the best. Purely just because of the movement. You can tie him to the side, you can turn him to the other side, and he looks really cool. This is how it arrived. Box is slightly crushed, few dents are there. Hopefully the items inside not damaged. The astronaut is available in two different colors, black, white, and in two different models. The star model, which is holding a star, and the guitar model, which shows as playing a guitar. As you can see here, some specifications are mentioned on this side. Name, Astronaut Nebula Projector, product size in millimeters, and the power requirements 5 volt, 1 amp. And then a word of caution: children under the age of 3 should not be used alone. Implies that some supervision is needed if the child is under 3 years of age, and obviously keep away from fire. This side has a nice illustration of the projector. On top, the sticker says that this has been shipped from a warehouse in Germany. Let's open this package and see what's inside. So first of all, we have a little user manual, double-sided manual in 6 languages. It's not that little. There are a lot of instructions. Yes, I mean, please go through it before operating this. Then there's the power cable. Yes, one side is a USB-A connector which connects to a power brick. That's also not included. You have to have your own one. And this side is a barrel connector which connects to the device. And there's a remote control. Then, oh, the little astronaut. It's so cool. See how it is. With a huge helmet-like thing. Helmet and a comparatively small body. Most of the weight is in the head. I guess it's due to the circuitry, the main circuitry being inside this helmet. And look at how much detail is on him. He actually feels like really good quality. And I have ordered the white one holding the star. This is where you insert the power cable, kind of a astronaut's backpack. On top of that are the three control buttons. This is the only connection between the body and the head or the helmet. This has all the wires inside which connects the controllers to the circuitry and the projectors. There's a tiny antenna protruding here. You can rotate it like this 360 degrees. The big one behind the glass right here is the Nebula Projector, and the one on top of the head right here is the Star Projector. This yellow sticker warns about eye protection. Do not stare into the galaxy or star projectors, which are here and here. The light sources are very intense. It is harmful to your eyes. There are some holes here. There is no speaker behind this. This is there purely for ventilation, maybe to cool down the electronics and the projectors inside. There's a plastic cover here. I think it's to guard the front, this glass-like thing, from scratches. And then the head can be rotated on all three axes like this, and it's connected to the body by a magnet. What a genius way to connect the head to the body. And the rotation or the movement is only limited by this power wire or power cable. Here, the only connection between the body and the head. The magnet is strong enough that even if you hang it upside down, this huge head won't fall off. Normally, with most of the other star projectors, once it is fixed, it's not movable. But because of this unique design with this magnet, this thing is rotatable, just like a planet, on all three axes. And it's quite sturdy. I mean the power of the magnet. Once you keep it, it won't move on its own, unless it is moved with an external force. And you move it to a certain angle, it will stay like that until you move it again. I've connected the power to a 5-volt USB adapter or USB power brick. Let's switch this on and see how spectacular it is. This switch is for on off. This one to adjust nebula by short pressing the nebula button. It will rotate the available colors for the nebula. Long press will switch off the nebula. This is for the stars. Short pressing this button will switch star modes. Long press will switch it off. Short press the on-off button to turn on the device. To switch off, long press the same button. The remote is really easy to use. I've inserted two AAA batteries which wasn't included. Watch the polarity before inserting. Let's see how easy to control this amazing projector with this remote control. This switch is for on off. By short pressing the nebula button, it will rotate the available colors for the nebula. Long press will switch off the nebula. This button will decrease the change speed. This button will increase the change speed of the nebula. This button will decrease the brightness of the nebula. Default brightness is the mid-range. Press this button to increase the brightness of the nebula. Laser switch is to switch on off the star projector. This LA mode button is for the star breathing frequency and for the brightness. You can switch between the modes by short pressing. The LA minus button will reduce the breathing frequency or the brightness. LA plus button will increase the breathing frequency or the brightness. Click the reset button to return to the boot mode. Let's switch off the lights and see how spectacular the light show is when it is dark. You get all this for just 99 cents USD with the welcome deal. There's nothing to beat this. I am extremely impressed with this projector. As you can see, it's very bright and also it can pretty much cover all my ceiling. And yeah, it looks absolutely breathtaking. So the mods are actually like very nice, and the light quality also is like super surprisingly pleasant on this projector. So it looks absolutely fabulous. In my opinion, this is definitely is Easily one of the best projectors I've ever seen. So I would highly recommend this Astronaut Nebula Projector as a very cute and a cool Christmas gift. You can give it to your loved ones irrespective of their age during this holiday season. With all that guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a nice and a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.